welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're gonna learn to do how to do long shadow text effect in Canva. So let's dive into it and stay tuned till the end. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to share it to your friends. First of all, you're gonna take this size over here. And after your page has been opened, you're gonna go in the text column. You're gonna scroll down, go in the type extrude. And now I'm just going to change its font to, I am changing my font to like Romantica. And I'm going to go back like this. And I'm going to change the text to like long shadow like this. And now what you can do is that you can even, I'm just gonna like go over here and I'm gonna increase the length of it like this, and I'm gonna add it to design, increase the size, and like this I got my long shadow effect. So I hope you love this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to share to your friends. Bye bye.